Okay, let's talk AI video. I mean, who doesn't want to create amazing AI videos? For your social media, for a project, or hey, just for the fun of it. But what if I told you that some of the best tools to get you started are completely 100% free? Yeah, today we're going to tear down that paywall and I'll show you exactly how to get creating. And let's be real here. The big AI companies, they know video generation is the next frontier, and boy, do they price their tools like it. It's created this myth, that you have to shell out for a big, expensive subscription just to get anything decent. A lot of us think that paying up is the only way in. But what if that's just not true? What if there's this entire secret world of powerful, free AI tools just sitting there, waiting for you to find them? Well, guess what? That's exactly what we're going to uncover right here, right now. Yeah, we're calling this the AI video paywall. It's this idea that you gotta pay to play. And today we are smashing right through it. We're gonna start with the easiest tool out there and then level up all the way to the most advanced so you can see the whole spectrum of what's possible for free. All right, first up on our list is a tool called vmin. Think of this as your perfect starting point. We're talking zero hassle. No signups, no annoying tokens, no limits. It is all about getting you from idea to video, like, immediately. So, V is it's so user-friendly. That no sign-up thing, that means you can literally go to the site and start creating right now. And because it's completely free and unlimited, it's perfect for just messing around and experimenting without any pressure. Oh, and the auto prompt feature, that is an absolute game changer if you're new to all this. It basically does the creative writing part for you. So cool. And the workflow, it honestly couldn't be any easier. Okay, step one, you generate an image. If you're drawing a blank, just click the little light bulb icon, it'll give you some ideas. Found one you like? Great, download it. Then you just switch over to the video tool and upload that image. Hit that light bulb icon again for an automatic prompt, click generate, and boom. It's a super simple 4-step process that takes just a few seconds. Okay, so once you've played around a bit, you're probably gonna want a little more control, right? That's where our next tool comes in, Sunwon. This is a pretty big step up, both in how versatile it is and the quality you can get. It built on everything we just learned. The real strength of Hunwon is that it's a multi-model platform. So what does that mean? It means you get a super powerful, separate tool just for making images, and then another one for turning them into video. That gives you so much more control. And if you make a video and you don't like it, just hit regenerate. It's unlimited. Plus, and this is a huge one, it handles vertical video perfectly. So if you're making content for Shorts or Instagram, this is your jam. And you know what? The workflow is still incredibly simple. Now, you do have to register, but here's a little tip. You can use any email address and there's no password needed. So first, you use their awesome image model to dial in the exact visual you're imagining. Download the one you love. Then you just hop over to the video model, upload it, add a quick motion prompt like wind blowing or subtle camera pan, and hit generate. The result? A really high-quality clip where you had total control over that starting image. Okay, it's time for our third and final free tool. And this one is, in my opinion, the king of the bunch when it comes to pure, raw quality. We're talking about the latest version of Quinn. If you want results that look truly polished and just outstanding, this is where you go. I mean, the quality you get from Quinn is genuinely top tier, especially for a free tool. But what I really love is the community library. You can just scroll through and see what other people are creating, and then you can literally copy their prompts to see how they did it. It's such an amazing way to learn and get inspired. And making stuff is as easy as just talking to it. It's just a simple chat window. So the process here is super direct, which I love. First, I would absolutely recommend just browsing the community for a bit. Get a feel for what this thing can really do. When you're ready, you just start a new chat, and then you just describe the video you want to make. The one key tip I have for you here is to be really clear about whether you want a horizontal or vertical video. If you do that, you'll avoid any weird errors, and the results, well, they're fantastic. So with free tools that are this good, it kind of makes you wonder, right? What exactly are you paying for with the pro-level tools? Well, let's take a quick look at something like Cinema Studio just to see what kind of features a paid subscription actually unlocks. So the Pro Tools, they are all about giving you that super fine-grained, detailed control. We're talking things like advanced camera settings. You can actually set the focus, the lens, the aperture. You get those cool cinematic aspect ratios. You can do complex effects like speed ramping. Plus, you can generate longer clips and even start building entire scenes with multiple shots. It's really about controlling every single detail of that final video. So, what does all this mean for you? It means that right now, as of this moment, you have a complete, powerful, and totally free toolkit to start making incredible AI videos today. Let's boil it down. You now have 3 amazing, distinct tools in your back pocket, and each one has its own special strengths. Okay, here is the final breakdown, your cheat sheet. If you want the absolute easiest, no-fuss starting point, use V. When you need more control, and especially if you're making vertical video for social media, Honeywin is your go-to. And when quality is the #1 most important thing, Quick is the undisputed champ. So there you have it. The paywall? It's gone. The tools are right here, they are free, and they are way more powerful than you might have thought. So really, there's only one question left. What are you going to create?